Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. We continue to consolidate. You can see it here on the daily. You can really see it on the hourly. Little couple slow motion moves down around the pre-FOMC price at 77. You see the 20-day and the 9-day jammed up between 61 and 63. Weekly pivot hasn't been challenged this week at all. And, you know, it's really the same discussion that we had yesterday. We're consolidating. Consolidation leads to expansion. So we're going to get some more volatility coming into the next few days. You can see the Bollinger Bandwidth here is down to what? 0.46. That's exciting. So that's tight. The nice part is there have been portions of the day that have been wide enough from a range perspective that you've been able to get done what you need to get done. So, I mean, it's not one of these consolidation tapes where you're sitting around in a 6 or a 7 handle RTH range just banging your head into a wall. It's not. It has not been like that, which is great. So, it's nothing great and glorious. We're doing, 13 handle. We did 13 handles on Tuesday. We did 13 handles yesterday. Our goal is always to try to get 4 or better on a full position. So, I mean, we're hitting our numbers no problem. It's just a matter of neither the bulls or the bears are expanding the range. And when they do that, well, then the handles, start to come, much easier. As we get into the open today, you got our proprietary moving average, 86.75. Wrong chart. Hourly midband, 89. 5-minute mid, 90. Daily pivot, like 93. So call it 87 to 90, 87 to 91 is going to be that concentrated price area that either the bulls or the bears are going to have to convert to get the next leg. If the bears win 87 to 91, they have to deal with 77. You got to deal with 77 because where you really want to be is 61 to 63. And the bears really have no dog in the fight. Nobody's going to take them seriously until they start closing below the daily midband again. I mean, other than that, I mean, they're just, fine. You want to do a little slow motion pull back into your, we all know how that ends. They rip it up in their face. If you're the bulls, you look awful above 4,200. Bulls, you look terrible. You need to deal with 1275 from back on Tuesday and start to reach up towards that 4240 area. And you're going to need to do it before Friday. Otherwise, you come in the next week and it looks, you look a little shaky because you'll have a multi-day line of resistance sitting up there. All right, that's all I've got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.